Award-winning builder Perry Homes has made its way to one of the fastest growing cities in the state of Texas, Pflugerville. We're here at Old Town East, and we're gonna meet my buddy Timothy White, and he's gonna give us an idea on why these particular Perry homes are considered showstoppers. These floor plans are really, I want to call them unique.
They really are. Thanks for coming out today, checking out, again, our new floor plans that Perry's built bespoke for us here right in Pflugerville, Texas. So Old Town East is a brand new idea that, again, all the clients need to come and see.
Now's a good time. You guys have incentives on this particular property. Many people are questioning whether they should jump into the game or wait until interest rates go down. We're recommending that folks who can buy, they should buy if they find something that they like and love, because of the fact that down the line, who knows, interest rates go down, that means competition is going to come back into the arena. From a business aspect of Perry Homes, you guys are putting incentives out there to move properties. So now is a good time for folks to take advantage, no?
Jason, you're absolutely right, 100%. Today is the great day to buy a home. Again, promotions are just huge. They're out there to combat what we're all fearing. High interest rates. Again, for the fear of missing out, for the FOMO, if you wait for, again, that interest rate to drop, the incentives are gonna dry up. The home prices are gonna skyrocket. And again, if you can maybe weather that storm, again, buoyed by these great incentives that are out in the market, you're just gonna win over the long term.
And I have to say, I mean, it's not a sales pitch, but Perry Homes are awesome. I've known you for a long time. We've done a number of deals together. I mean, these homes are really tight.
Man, the culture of the company, again, the people, the tender love and care that we put into the homes. I mean, it's just outstanding. It's top notch. Again, I've only worked for one builder in my career, and I don't ever see that changing. And I really think that's what every client's going to get to see. Again, our models aren't overbuilt. You're going to see that over-promise, but then over-deliver in every available home that we have here in Old Town East. Heck, the whole company.
And making a move here in Old Town East is important because of the fact that this is not like a 500 house or property sprawling community. I mean, this is a pretty unique little enclave.
Yes, it is. Again, we were blessed to get this 8 acres right in the heart of Pflugerville. I mean, it's downtown, it's across the street from us. You've got everything that's already built around you. You've got a super low tax rate of 2.25 and still be what, 25 minutes away from the following: the airport, downtown, the Domain, all these major employers like Tesla, Samsung Future Factory. Just, you can't replace that anywhere else.